Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. I'm ready to do my bangs. You guys ready? You want to watch and see me do it with my big comb? So basically you want to get this hair. Now listen, if you pull this hair up, just so you know, like that, see that? You're going to get a nice layer on that hair. It's almost like it's so big, but it guides. You know, you pull it out right where you want it. Now if you wanted it closer and you didn't want more layers on it, you're going to pull it like closer to your face. Okay? And then you can cut. Hold on. Okay, I think I got to go this way. Yeah, this is the way I got to go. Much better. I want to just show you how easy peasy, okay? Because I like my angles like that. And yeah. And see how it just feathers right back? And I don't really need anything else necessarily. I might just want to do just a little bit more right there. Because street. You just kind of, I like that one little triangle right here to be shorter. So I'm just going to pick that up with my nice big comb. Okay. And I'm really just going to cut into that. See how you just cut into it just to make it a little bit more like piecey. I don't like anything like real super thick. Yeah, see, I like it piecey. And I could even come down on those scissors. Just make a couple more points in there. That's the goal, to make points on all your ends. And then it keeps it nice and soft and simple. And then I want to see, do I want to maybe feather this a little more? I don't think so. I think it's perfect. Now I'm just going to go blow dry it and I'll show you just that little bit. Okay. Right now I'm going to blow dry it and we'll show you after. All right, so I blow dry it. So I could see right here, it's still a little too, it's not layered enough. I like it more layered. And this is the thing, to each his own. Everybody could do it however they want. I like to use this fun big comb for a little adventure. But if I need a little more, because I did pull it out a little, not too much, but if I would have pulled it out more, it would have layered it more. So now I come in with my thinning shear, right here, and I just want to get in there and just make those ends softer, right here too. Okay, yeah. And I'm liking the little bit more of like a bang bang, which is cute. And I just have like that part is that little extra bang bang. Bangs are big this year. So I just want to have a little fun. And then I'll just make it super full here. And then we're good to go. Have a great day.